What if I told you that the next big African business opportunity is sitting right in your backyard? What if this opportunity is so obvious that we've become blind to it? And what if I could show you how this simple fruit could transform your fortunes and is a multi-billion-dollar industry? Stay tuned, because today we are diving into the incredible opportunities hidden within this very humble fruit. Welcome to Africa Leap, the channel where we uncover the untapped potential of our beautiful continent. I'm your host, Linda Chitemere, and today I'm excited to take you on a journey to explore how this everyday fruit could transform lives and industries. At Africa Leap, we are all about empowerment and showcasing Africa's rising potential and opportunities, from groundbreaking innovations to sustainable solutions, hidden opportunities to inspiring stories. If you're ready to join this movement of transformation, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn the notifications on so you'll never miss a video that could change your perspective and your life. Let's awaken to the possibilities together. Don't forget to leave a comment and share your thoughts as we dive into today's topic. It's that magical time of the year when Africa truly comes alive. Families are on the road heading to their commercials and farms, and the rains have blessed the soil. The fields are vibrant with new growth. It's summer cropping season. It's a time of renewal and opportunity for me. As I travel through Zimbabwe and beyond, documenting stories of transformation, one thing keeps catching my attention. Everywhere I look, there's this one crop that is thriving, whether in large fields or in small backyard farms, and yet its potentials remains largely untapped. This crop is the watermelon, with its refreshing burst of sweetness that literally makes you feel hydrated. It's more than just a summertime favorite. It's a powerhouse of possibilities. You'll find it in almost every roadside market, every grocery store, every home garden, literally all year round. But did you know it could also be the foundation of a booming industry? Let's dig into the numbers that show why the watermelon is such an exciting opportunity. In 2023, the global watermelon market was valued at $42.3 billion. Yes, billion dollars. And it is projected to hit $57.2 billion by 2030. Africa produces 10 million metric tons annually, yet most of this is consumed locally. What we are missing is the potential for value addition and for export. A game changer for farmers and entrepreneurs alike. Now, this is where things get really interesting. Watermelon isn't just a refreshing snack. It's a resource waiting to be transformed. Let's explore why it's such a versatile food for processing. Watermelon. The flesh of the watermelon is 92% water, but packed with nutrients, as already mentioned. It boasts lycopene at 40% more than raw tomatoes. It is the highest plant-based source of citrulline, a natural amino acid. It contains significant amounts of vitamins A, B6, and C. It also contains potassium and magnesium minerals and beta-carotene antioxidant. Now let's look at some of the value-added products making waves in the global markets. First up, we have fresh watermelon juice and concentrate. The high water content and natural sweetness makes it perfect for pure, refreshing watermelon juice production or blended varieties with other fruits, and concentrated watermelon syrup for commercial use. In Africa, we've mostly just gone as far as the juice. Perfect for health-conscious consumers, these products are gaining traction as natural sweeteners and functional beverages. Here's another exciting fact about watermelon. Did you know concentrated watermelon syrup can have as much as 6 times the lycopene of fresh watermelon, and which is 40% more than raw tomato? That's a nutrient powerhouse whose demand is growing at 40% annually in global markets. Food manufacturers, as I've said before, are using it as a natural sweetener and nutritional booster in everything from sports drinks to premium sodas due to its natural electrolytes. Next, watermelon seeds. Watermelon seeds are also a nutritional powerhouse, boasting protein of 35 grams per 100 grams, which is higher than most nuts. Healthy fats, which are made up of 50% omega-6 fatty acids, minerals, namely magnesium, iron, and zinc, and fiber ranging from 10 to 12 grams per 100 grams. They are a gold mine for creating cold-pressed seed oil, high-protein snacks, and even seed butter. Watermelon seed oil is already a favorite in the beauty industry, as it contains over 60% linoleic acid and significant levels of oleic acid, both which are perfect for skincare. And currently it fetches up to $42 per liter at a margin of about 57%. And its market size is projected at $1.05 billion by 2030. While the second byproduct is a protein-rich seed cake, which can be further processed into plant-based protein powder containing all the essential amino acids. So where are you, my sports enthusiasts? This is what you need. We, however, see the biggest opportunity in the seed butter, which is a rising star in health food markets, offering allergen-free, protein-rich goodness. And let's not forget roasted watermelon seeds, an easy entry point for entrepreneurs looking to break into the watermelon industry. These products have high margins and growing demand, especially in urban markets. So you may be wondering whether these opportunities are really all that we are saying them to be. Here's why these opportunities make sense, and you must not miss out. Let's break down the profit margins. Cold-pressed seed oil can offer returns of up to 400%, while seed butter and roasted snacks also boast impressive margins. Premium retailers are selling the butter for between $7 and $10 for just a 226-gram jar, with profit margins ranging from 56 to 60% and a market size of around $740 million United States dollars by 2030. The investment, relatively low compared to the potential for growth. Whether you're starting with $10,000 for a small-scale operation or scaling all the way up to $150,000 for a commercial setup, the ROI for seed butter, seed oil, and concentrated juice is typically within 18 to 24 months. Early movers have a real chance here to dominate this space. Meanwhile, for small-scale snack processing and juice production, you can expect an initial investment of as low as $2,000 United States dollars and an ROI of between 8 to 12 months. Friends, innovation is key to standing out in today's markets. Think organic certifications, think eco-friendly packaging, or new product variations like flavored seed butter. The possibilities are endless, and the market is ready for fresh ideas. As you can see, we are not just talking about simple processing. We are looking at creating premium products with significant market demand, healthy profit margins, and an ecosystem that guarantees success. The key is starting with the right equipment and focusing on quality from day one. The beauty of this opportunity, friends, is that the raw material is already being grown extensively in our communities and farms. Now here's an overview of what is needed to ensure project success. First, you need your processing facilities. Then you need the equipment with the right specifications for the desired use cases. You need quality control systems to ensure products meet the stringent minimum requirements for export markets, including African regional markets. You also need storage and distributor networks to ensure minimum loss for in-transit goods. You also need packaging solutions that are eco-friendly and attractive to the eye. Then you need business support services that will handhold you to success. So our work ones, how can you be part of this revolution? Whether you're a farmer, an entrepreneur, or an investor, there's a role for you in unlocking the potential of watermelon and many others that we'll be sharing on this channel. Here's how to get involved. Farmers and entrepreneurs, join our membership groups to access market insights, get consulting and procurement support, and also explore value addition opportunities. Investors, partner with local processors and access feasibility studies, and much more. Equipment partners, we ask you to collaborate with us to bring advanced technology to our local farmers, entrepreneurs, and communities. Africa Lab isn't just a channel, it's a movement. Follow us on social media, join the conversation, and be part of the transformation. Let's make Africa's potential a reality together. So, as you head to your commercial or farm this season, I want you to look at those watermelon seeds with different eyes. Sometimes the greatest opportunities are hiding in plain sight. Together, we can turn this abundant fruit into a thriving industry that uplifts communities, creates jobs, and showcases Africa's innovation. If this video inspired you, like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, this is Africa Lab reminding you that Africa's potential is limitless. Together, let's awaken to its possibilities. See you in the next one.